What's up YouTube? What's up y'all? My name's Rabbi Jones and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today is another tutorial for you guys, and this is going to be very short, very simple. Okay, so I have I have 4 logos here, and I have 3 gradients, gold gradients. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how I achieved these gold gradients. Okay, so first one, that is the light gold gradient. We have 3 boxes here, so it means we're going to combine 3 colors to get the gold gradient. So the first color is this light yellow, so the code is E9CA8E. Then you click on OK. Then the second box is going to have this lighter yellow, that is FFEDCE. Click enter. And we're going to have the third box too with the same color as the first one. Okay, so now we have 3 colors here, and we're going to use these 3 colors to achieve the gradient for the first logo. So we have this Glocks accessories logo, so I'm going to use this for the first one. So click on the FX, go to gradient, click on gradient, then you're just going to, okay, this one is something I already had in the work, so I'm just going to click this off and delete it and just start all over. So yeah, let me delete this guy. And okay, so we have just one here, so I'm going to click on the color here, then click on the first. Well, you see the first box is the lighter yellow that we have, so click on it, and we're going to have the colors merging through there. Then I'm going to click on OK. After that, we're going to create another color in the middle. You just click there and it appears. That's how it works. Then we're going to click on the color here, then use the eyedropper to click on the middle box. So we're going to have the middle light color to attach to the golden gradient that we're creating. Then we're going to click on the third part here, that is the edge, and click on the color as well, and click on the last box to finalize the gradient. So this gold gradient is very light, very dim, and mostly works for green, blue, and all those kind of things. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. And the next one, we have this second color here. This gradient color is very dope, I must tell you. So let us sample this one. So the first one is going to have this color, more like greenish yellow. Then the second one is going to have this deeper color in the middle, more like a deeper yellow or something like that. Then we're going to have the second one, or like a third one, having the first same color as we had before. Then let's choose this logo to apply the gradient to it. Okay, so now we're just going to click on this guy, then delete the first 2, so we're going to be left with just this one. So you click on this one, you select the first color, click in the middle, then you select the second color, then you click on the third part, then you select the third box, and now your gradient is done. Yes, this is another type of gradient that you can create. Very, very dope. Let's move on to the third one, and the third one is also a very much deeper gradient, gold gradient that we can achieve. So for this one, I'm just going to click on this guy, sample from the sample that we have here. Okay, so the first one is going to be this, the second one is going to be from the middle, and the third one is going to be from the edge, just like this. So then let's click on the logo, enter into the logo gradient map, and then we're going to click on this guy, delete this as well. Then after we are done, you see we've covered part of how do you call it, the gradient. So we just have to take this guy to a little place. So let me just click on OK and drag this guy somewhere here. Okay, so you create did I just say click? Oh fuck, sorry guys, click. So now you click on the gradient there, then you click on this guy, you sample from the first box, then you select, or like you click in the middle to create another gradient color in the middle. Click on it, select the middle aspect, click on the edge here, click on this color here, click on the next box, and voila, you're good to go. So yeah, this is the other type of gold gradient that you can have. And there's this other guy that you can do. You go to Google. I don't know if let me see if I'm clear to search on my, okay, let me just search for you guys. You go to Google and you type gold gradient something. Yeah, gold background. Yeah, I think it's gold background or something. Yeah, you click on gold background, and you're going to have series of gold backgrounds that you can use in your work. Yes, these are the lots that I'm talking about. So you go to images, looking for the one that you want. I mean, dope ones. You have very nice ones here, and mostly I use one of these guys. Where's he? Yeah, this guy, gold texture golden gold background. That is what I normally use. So we just save this. Let it load first so we can see if we can get it. Okay, then you right click, go to save image as, and just click on I'm still waiting. Okay, so now it's here. Click on enter, and now we're going to have the gold. So you just enter back into your work, click on the logo that you want to apply the gold background to it. Just go to the file, go to place embedded, and it's going to take you to any folder of your choice. So for me, I'll go straight to the download folder, where I can get, yes, this is the gold that I downloaded. So now it's going to load into the work, it's going to load into the workspace. Then I just click on OK for it to work throughout what we want it to do. So it's loading now. Okay, so the gold gradient, this is the gold gradient. It's opened in Camera Raw 13.1 because that's what I set it to do. So click on OK, and it's going to load into the workspace. Okay, so we have it here now. So I'm just going to overlay it onto the logo, make sure it fills all parts. Then afterwards, I'm going to click Control Alternate plus J. So we clip the logo in the background into the logo, and it's as simple as that. So these are actually, I termed this video 3 ways to achieve gold gradients, but then all the same, I don't know, these are all parts of how to get the gradients and all this stuff. So we have 4 now. So if you guys by any chance would want to create gold gradients or gold types of thing, you can do it. And this gold thing works with a lot of backgrounds. It can work with a deeper red, it can work with a green, like a deeper green, it can work with a deeper blue, deeper pink, anything that works for you. Yeah, so that'll be it, guys, for the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yeah, I'll make sure to see you in the next one. I have a little video for you guys this week, so yeah, I'm going to make sure you get it, and you get it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Bye bye. Revolution.